how to actually edit your wedding photos in 10 minutes. This is the one thing that you should be doing before your wedding season starts. Wedding season is upon some of us, at least here in the Northern Hemisphere. And I know a lot of you are already on this train, but I thought I would make a short video to tip the remaining few of you that haven't jumped yet. Imagen, spelled Imagen. I have 1,500 free edits for you to finally try it out if you haven't yet. And while this is not a sponsor video, it is an affiliate link down below. It gets you 500 more edits than you would normally get if you just went and signed up on their normal website. Why I'm telling you this now is because it is very important to get your processes in place before wedding season starts and you get busy and bogged down and you just resort to what you know, which is probably spending hours in Lightroom. Here is how I recommend using Imagen. If you like the overall look and feel of the images you're seeing on the screen, start with this talent profile, Love and Light by Sarah Edmonds. Here's what you do. You put your images into a Lightroom catalog, then that goes to Imagen, and a few minutes later, you get back the final edits. And the edits that you're going to get are trained on tens of thousands of wedding images from Sarah, or if you choose another talent profile, trained on their image edits. And in my experience, it knows how to interpret any scene that I have ever shown it, and it comes back with a better edit every single week. 2 years ago, system was amazing. Right now, it's even more incredible. Scrolling through that first catalog of images you get back from Imagen, you will quickly understand what you've been missing. At this point, you have a few options. You can make some adjustments and then retrain the profile, better emulate exactly what you would have done as the editor, or you can train the entire system on your past edits and it will actually just edit exactly like you. It's magic, but it's also pattern recognition. It sees the last time you edited a similar photo and makes a new one look like that. Plus, I'm sure a lot more goes into it, but it just works. Overall, Imagen has gotten so good at editing that I make very few tweaks to a full gallery, which usually means it takes me about 10 minutes to flip through the gallery to make sure that everything is good and export from there. Very, very fast and a lot more consistent than edits if I would do them myself. Again, use a link to get those bonus edits free, 1,500 edits to get you started. And if Sarah's profile isn't right for you, you're able to re-edit the same gallery until you find a talent profile that you like best, or again, train the system on your work. Check out the link. Bye.